part 2. So, what's your name again?
Mike Rhodes.
Wait, listen, I have to. We just have a chat there, and I talked to your boss, Tom Alexander.
Yes, sir.
Had a good interview. He's from North Carolina, and you're from the States too, eh?
Yes, I'm from Ohio.
Where?
Ohio.
Ohio. So what are you doing here?
Come on, Charlie.
We're working.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
I am, yeah. You gotta watch out for her. Yeah, she knows me.
Where's Fern? You're gonna take your, you can take him down?
She can, I believe it.
I think Fern's way tougher than what people think.
Yeah, it is. Nobody messes with her in Tobin. You go for the mouth first, then you do it?
What's going on?
White shirt. I couldn't keep a white shirt on very long.
What's going on?
Half an hour, 45 minutes.
What's going on?
We're hanging in for 45 minutes. The tow trucks arrived. That's what's happening. And they're waiting for more people to come for support. And just asking when they're going to arrive.
You need a warrant.
Tow truck guys permits?
No. These guys.
We want to stay.
Yeah, we want to see their permit for having permission to be here. So
We just
Then I think we can join her.